tasty soup. Spicy carrot.
And Porion.
Exactly.
Chili chowder.
Croutons, crunchy friends of liquid broth.
Miso, fighting in the dojo.
Oh, you don't have to, it's fine.
Can I say lemon meringue pie? Lemon meringue pie. It's very nice and sweet.
Yes, you can say that.
Oh, I can say that! Oh, I can start?
Yes.
Oh, lemon meringue pie. It's very nice and sweet.
Thank you. And I'm asking all of the characters to sing a song for me.
Sing a song?
Yes.
Well, I'm not very good at singing, but I'll whistle for you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mrs. De Vil, would you say something to the camera for me?
Say Mrs.
Or Miss?
My only true love would be her.
Oh. Well, you're just so...
What?
Would you just say something to the camera for me? Would you say a spicy carrot and coriander?
Why would I say that?
It's for a video I'm making and you're going to be the star.
I'm the star of it.
Yes.
How about this? I make your day by letting you see this.
That would be perfect.
And good luck.
Okay, thank you.